It's great to have also a completely new machine out of an old one. So it's amazing to have that.
Hello, Britta. It's so good to be inside this incredible building, knowing the growth that you guys have gone through since you took over in 2008, but it's been around since 1952. So first of all, thank you for inviting myself and the audience into your facility to learn more about you and why you've invested in these index machines. So firstly, let's talk about your company. Let's talk about what you're doing here and how you can help some of the audience out there watching.
Okay, so we are making clamping tools for Swiss lathe machines as well for multi-spindle machines. So we are doing all kind of clamping tools for bar feeders. Let's start with the rotating tip at the end. Then we were making the bar feed collet, the guide bushing for the Swiss lathe, the collets inside the machine in all different variations. That's all we do.
Is it almost like you're a one-stop shop for the inside of these components so you don't have to go to multiple places? And are you manufacturing everything inside from bar to finished part?
Yeah, actually, you could call it like that. Yeah, that's how it is.
I feel like, to me, from the interviews that I've done, that's kind of what separates you and your company from other folks that might be out there, is from the bar that's right behind me right here.
Yeah.
And in all of these machines are finished components that come off at the end of the day. And you're even doing, if necessary, the hardening of it, all of the components of measure. It really is, you can come here and get everything you need, right?
Yes, that's correct. So we start with the bar, which comes here. And other than that, we are not buying anything except of the carbide inserts for the guide bushes. And so that's what we purchase. And then we have the turning inside, turning manufacturing inside. Then we have the hardening process, of course. Then we have outside grinding, inside grinding, EDM process. So everything is here. Yeah,
it's incredible. And knowing that when you took over in 2008, there were 20 employees. Now you have 120 employees. That shows the quality that goes into this product. Not only that, as I look over your shoulder, I see a few index machines here, which your dad invested in from the beginning as well. Would you mind sharing your product and partnership with the Index? And I see TRAUB here, which is made by Index, but with the Index family.
Yes, of course. So actually, my father started with TRAUB machines, which are part of the Index family. So he bought a TND 360, which was our first machine when I was 6 years old. So that's how we started. And by that time, we did not even have bar feeders on the end of the machine. So that's how everything started. And now we are having a lot of different TRAUB machines here. We have the TNX series here. We have the TNC machines here, and also a refit machine here.
So this company started around 1952. You guys got it about 35 years ago. You were in a house with about 5 employees, 20 when you took over, 120 now. The family relationship with Index. So I have to ask as well, when it comes to this precision and all this growth that's going on and everything being done internally, you actually have machines here that have been refurbished along the way because you've been partners with Index so long.
Yes, yes. It's great to have also a completely new machine out of an old one. So it's amazing to have that.
Would it be possible to show the audience the new machine out of the old one? Can we step over there and take a look at it?
Of course, we can.
Come on, guys, let's take a look at the refurb machine that's now brand new. All right, Britta, we're standing in front of this Index machine, or this TRAUB machine made by Index, and this is the refurb machine. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but usually when I think of the refurb, or when I talk to the audience about a refurb, I think of typically software. But you went and did everything inside and out, and this is a brand new machine at this point. Is that how this works?
It definitely is. So they went down to the base, took everything apart, and renewed all the cables and everything inside. So it's a complete new machine. So actually just the basement is the same as it was.
Do you have any idea, just for my own curiosity, when this machine was originally purchased, what year it might have been?
Well, it might go back to the 1990, something like that, 90. 99 is around that.
And you've been doing this since you were 6 years old, running around this place, right?
Yeah.
You're running machines even, so it's kind of cool to have this history now. Well, Britta, something else I'd like to reiterate is, because it's important, and we're standing in front of this TRAUB machine made by Index. We were in front of a couple other ones. We talked about the history with your dad, the ability to refurb the machine. What is that relationship, and what does it mean to you with Index?
So it's very important to have a close relationship, because for us, we are like selling to Index, but also buying Index machines, or the TRAUB line of Index. So this is very important for us to grow also our product and get better in our products as well as they do. So it's a hand in hand working together. I think that's very important, and that makes everybody better at the end. So we are working together.
I bring that up for the audience because for several reasons. One, we talked about the company early, right? We talked about the partnerships and the precision and what sets this company apart from everyone. We also talked about the refurb program that can be done through Index. But it's also very important, in my opinion, which is why I brought up that Britta can run machines. She's been doing this so long, about women in manufacturing and women in powerful leadership positions. Britta, what does it mean to you to be in a leadership role as a woman in an industry that currently, even though we're darn sure trying to fix it, currently we're considered more of a minority area with women in manufacturing? What does it mean to you?
So actually, I just love to be in this industry, and I just love to be around all these brilliant and nice people, you know, and I love my job as it is. And I think it's important that more women go into this machining industry, because it's just fun. It's nice to be here, and it's a nice surrounding. Even so, at the moment, there are still a lot of men. Maybe that's why even it makes it better. I don't know.
Well, we'd like to have more women. Coming from the men's perspective, we'd love
like
to have more women and more diversity.
For sure.
In fact, with our labor shortage globally, I hear everyone talk about it. We want everyone, right? So thank you for being a leader in this industry, and thank you for doing exactly what you do.
Thank you.
And for everyone watching, this is one amazing company. We're talking 1952. We took over in 2008, 35 years ago for her dad. 20 employees when Britta took over, now 120. If that doesn't mean precision and quality to you with partnerships like Index, then I don't know what does. So with that being said, if we need more information from you, Britta, there's companies out there right now, as we have an Edge bar feeder right behind us, that will want to work with you, that want to learn more. Where can they find out more information about you, your company website, anything like that?
Yeah, so it's on our website, Schlenker-Spannwerkzeuge.de.
Perfect. That's all you need. For everyone who's watching, give them a look. This is my friend Britta. Thank you all for watching, Britta. Thank you again.
Thank you
are
so much,
amazing.
Tony.
Yes.
Thanks for being here.
My pleasure.